This right here is a 2009 Suzuki Swift. This is my mate's car. He bought it from a rental joint for about 2.5K. They were going bust, so he walked in there. They had about 9 of them in stock. He obviously chose the red one because it goes faster and shit. Yeah, so that's where we're at. So today we're gonna slap some wheels on it. We're gonna put some coilovers on it. Tail lights. We're gonna make it look like a f***ing beast.
Guys, we got new tools. Tools. Like f***ing tools. Holy shit.
The real deal.
Yeah. Dak, bitch.
Okay, so the suspension on these cars is a bit different to your standard ones. So your spring just sits there like that. And then this is your actual suspension here. Runs up to the top there. There is a 17mm bolt holding it in just there. And then up to the top. So you've got a cover like this on it. It's just those little plastic clips. You just press it in, they just pop straight out. And you've got a 14mm bolt just sitting there at the top.
Try to be a good person. Shouldn't wear a bell around your neck. You wanna get slept, fool? You ridiculous.
Okay, so this is what the stock rear suspension on a Suzuki Swift looks like. And that's comparing to the new one. As you can see, it's fucking way smaller. What the fuck was that? So in order to okay, so in order to pull this out, you have to actually hold onto it when you're unscrewing it. What?
Hi.
Because this thing here just constantly spins, so you have to hold it there, and the other person has to unscrew the top.
Why does it spin, bro?
What?
Why does it spin?
I don't know.
What do you mean? Aren't you meant to be the mechanic?
Mate, it's a suspension, alright? It just spins.
Suspension. It just spins.
Just spins, alright? Don't ask questions, bro. It's a fucking Swift, alright? I know. Beautiful hairdresser car.
You ridiculous.
Okay, so that's all in. It's going to be tightened up in a bit. But now to get the spring in, we need to get rid of this thing here. So that can fit there. And just bolts in from the bottom. And it's got a beef dog Allen key in there. Oh, there that goes. Oh yeah, just straight into there. So it'll sit nice and solid in there.
Try to be a good person. Shouldn't wear a bell around your neck. You wanna get slept, fool? You ridiculous.
Okay, so now onto the front. So this plastic thing runs all the way across here. You just gotta undo the little plastic clip, same as the back. There's 1, 2, and 3 there. Once you do that, just pop it up. It should come undone. There's clips holding there, there, and there. That one stayed in, but that's all good. And that's the top of it. Okay, so for this, for the front ones, we have to use the top of the existing, of the old suspension, sorry, which is that top bit there. So unscrew it up the top, slide it down, and then there's another bolt on it that we have to undo. So what we did, we didn't have the spring compression, so we went ghetto ways like usual. Yeah.
Don't try it at home though.
Look at that shit.
Do not try it at home.
Cable tie that.
We're not liable if you do something dumb like that.
Yeah, it's not on us, man.
It's on you.
Try to be a good person. Shouldn't wear a bell.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm tired of these fucking wheels. And then, because this is connected to the fucking...
Okay, so we've got this one installed. We came into a bit of a problem on the actual coilover. On the other side, it says that this one here is the right one, but we're on the left-hand side here. Assuming that he bought it online from like the States or something like that. Just the opposite side around, I guess. Because yeah, the other one, this section here was on the other side, so it's just impossible. So that's it. So you've got a 19mm bolt up top. And then you've got two 17mm here. That's your bolt there, that's your nut. On both sides. Once you get that off, there's a, I think that's a 12mm. And that just comes off.
Around your neck, you wanna get slept, fool? You ridiculous.
Back up, we're going to change the lights on this. So we've got these ones here, like these dope looking LED lights, tinted up and that. It's gonna look sick. Whoa.
Gonna change the whole look of the car.
Yeah, bro. Okay, so it's pretty simple to change these. Just pretty much 2 bolts there, 10mm. all you got to do is like lift that tab up there and slide that out. Simple. And then once you've got that undone, pull it straight out and it will come undone.
Put the bolt somewhere. Oh, never mind.
Got it. That's sweet as.
Put the bolt somewhere you weren't losing.
Cheers.
Otherwise, you're flat.
Straight out.
Yeah, pretty much. So, with these, they have a little like holder, so it goes into like a little rubber stopper over here. They do break quite easily because they are plastic, so just be a little bit careful. And there's another one there. And you got your 2 bolts, your wiring harness. With the tail lights that we got for this car, you don't need to reuse this anyway. So we're just gonna keep it on the tail lights and then just plug and play basically. Boom, these are the tail lights. They're a bit dirty because of my hands, but you got your little, what do I call it? Your little dust cover, right? So nothing goes into like the plug or anything like that from the outside world, right? So you see how it has 2 prongs there? See the massive gaping hole there? You just go,
and that's it.
That's it. Right? If you want extra wire on this side, you can pull it through, right? But I don't think we need it, to be completely fair. Right, line up the holes, and then just push it in. There you go. Put the 2 screws back in, 1 and 2, and then you got a nice aftermarket tail light.
Okay, so the coilovers are on, the lights are on, everything's all G for it, for now. Gotta admit, this hairdresser's car, it's not too bad, eh? It looks pretty nice. It's got alright shape, bro. What do you reckon?
Nah, it looks fucking clean.
Would you drive it?
I'll drive it.
Yeah. Can turn this thing into a monster, man. Throw a fat turbo in it, bro, you'd be smoke.
Exactly.
Yeah, bro.
You ridiculous. Try to be a good person. Shouldn't wear a bell around your neck. Wanna get slept, fool? You ridiculous. You ridiculous.
Hey guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you know when we post new videos. Yeah.